Okay, so I have the POCO F6 5G with me and it's created quite a buzz, and the reasons, well, the reasons are the design, the performance, first ever to have a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, and the killer pricing. So should you be buying it? Let's find out in this quick review. So I'm not going to be starting with the design, battery or cameras first. I'm going to be starting with the performance for a simple reason that this one's creating a buzz more for its performance than anything else. So the POCO F series is known for its fast performance at affordable pricing, and the POCO F6 5G is also no different. Now this one's powered by the brand new Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip, and this one gives smooth performance, playing games or multitasking between apps, no lags, no heating issues. And I has mentioned this earlier also in my unboxing of this smartphone that this one scored about 1.5 million on AnTuTu benchmarks. Now that's really very impressive. What say? And yes, performance wise, why I wanted to tell you this also because this is the first phone, पहला ऐसा phone है जिसमें भारत में Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset दिया गया है. Let's move on to the display now. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display offers a very sharp 1.5K resolution with about 1220s to 2712p, and it's a flat display and very impressive to say so. Everything was indeed impressive to watch on the screen for a simple reason. It's a flat display. That's my favorite, which goes with decent color option. Also, the 120Hz refresh rate was a breeze with no jitters to scroll all the way, and so on the display front, this one gets a full marks and looks quite chic, big and good. Okay, now moving on to cameras, let me tell you that this one might not be the absolute best camera phone out there, but did give some impressive shots. So I thought before I tell you about the camera, I should be telling about disclaimer also. Yes, this packs a punch in photography department though. The main attraction is of course the 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor, which captures crisp and detailed photos in most lighting condition. And also it gives OIS that helps reduce the blur in the final output. There's also another lens that's 8 megapixel secondary sensor and a good 20 megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. So I'm not going to talk much about the camera here. I'm going to talk about the clicks here. I'm going to show you the clicks so you be your own judge and see how did it fare in the camera department, and also you can let me know how did you find the camera for that matter. Now moving on to the battery, this one has a good battery. Yes, the POCO F6 5G gives a good battery and also charges quite quickly, much faster than I expected. It has 5000 mAh of battery and easily lasts a full day on a single charge, and even more on a moderate usage. So you get more battery if you use it moderately. Also 90 watts of fast charging is quite fast, as I said, and this means you can charge from 0 to about 100%, 0 to hero in 35 minutes. So I told you all about it, but I've told everything. One thing that did not impress me much at all in this phone is of course the cameras that I told you I'd be your own judge, but still it's not that impressive at this price point, and there are very other brands that are giving very good lenses options like Pixel 7a or even iQOO Neo 9 Pro at a very good pricing with good camera output that offer a better performance also, and the lenses also, like I said. So buy it. Well, it's powerful and feature-packed phone that offers excellent value for money, there is no doubt. So if you're looking for a phone with a powerful processor, a beautiful display and a long-lasting battery, then the POCO F6 is a strong contender indeed. And gamers and anyone who demands smooth performance will also appreciate the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip that's given in this one for the first time. However, as we just mentioned, if you prioritize having the absolute best camera on the market, well, you might want to explore other option than this one. It's not bad, let me tell you, it's good. But yes, but if camera is also your, go-to factor, then maybe we can explore more. What's it?